In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add trend targets in TradingView Pro. Let's get right into it. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. Any market will work here, so just pull up the chart you want to analyze. Once your chart is visible, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually near the top toolbar of the charting window. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can search for and add any tool, script, or study to your chart, including the Trend Targets tool we're going to use. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search box near the top. Click directly inside that search box. This allows you to quickly find the exact tool you're looking for instead of scrolling through long lists. Taking a second to use the search bar will save you a lot of time, especially if you use multiple indicators on a regular basis. Now, with the cursor inside the search box, type in Trend Targets. Be sure to spell it correctly and then wait for the results to load. TradingView will show you indicators that match that name. Look through the results and choose the Trend Targets tool that fits the description you're expecting or that you've used before. Once you see it, click on it once. The indicator will immediately be applied to the current chart. After it's added, take a moment to look at your chart and make sure you can clearly see the new trend target levels. If the chart looks cluttered, try zooming in or out a bit, or consider hiding other indicators temporarily so you can focus on this one. You can also open the settings for the Trend Targets indicator by hovering over its name in the chart's indicator list and selecting the settings icon. From there, you can adjust colors, line styles, or any specific parameters available, so it matches your personal trading style and is easy for you to read at a glance. And if you're not already on TradingView Pro, remember that you can use the affiliate link in the video description to sign up. That link will take you directly to TradingView's Pro plans, so you can unlock the full power of these indicators, enjoy more chart layouts, and get a smoother overall trading experience. Follow these steps, and you'll have trend targets added and ready to use in TradingView Pro.